What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing? This is Mario Byrd, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 steps to creating success online with no matter what your business is, affiliate program that you may be involved in, MLM, network marketing, business opportunity, whatever product that you have. This is the basis to creating success online, okay? So guys, whether you are brand new or you've been in your business for a while and you haven't really been creating the results that you want, it's very possible that you are lacking 1, 2, or maybe all 3 of these steps, guys. This is key. So pay very close attention to what I'm going to share with you here. So understand, guys, building a business today is much easier than what it has ever been. Why? Because we have what is called the internet. We have these tools, in our hands, smartphones and so forth. It's crazy, guys. Just think back prior to, this technology, people that wanted to become stars, movie stars or rock stars and so forth. They really had to get out there, guys. They had to travel. They had to go to exhaustion, guys. They had to pay money, but the truth of the matter is this, guys. They pay ads on the radio, ads on TV, and so forth. They get spots. They paid, money, and it just wasn't open to the average person. Now, today, this stuff right here, if you want to become a star, you got to be creative. Stars were made, right from the comfort of people's homes. How many models have been discovered from Instagram or YouTube or anything like that? How many rap stars have been discovered from Instagram and YouTube and so forth, and rock stars and pop stars? Man, we could go on and on and on and on. How about your business? By doing these simple steps that I'm going to share with you in this video, guys, it will happen for you, okay? Now, understand, when it comes to entrepreneurship, I'm going to share this one thing before we get into the content. When it comes to entrepreneurship, the only thing that's keeping you from success is you, not the process, not the system, not the strategy. It's you. You are the only variable from where you are at to where you want to be in your business or whatever it is that you want to do as far as creating success. These 3 steps are key. All right. So the first thing that you must do is build your audience. Okay. You want to build your audience. Now understand, with today in the internet and everything, we are bombarded by content. There's all kinds of content out there. There's all kinds of ads. There's all kinds of everything going out there, making people's attention spans shorter than ever. You know what I'm saying? It's true, guys. Shorter than ever. So first thing you want to do is grab people's attention by creating content and leveraging different strategies and platforms such as YouTube, which is the second highest used search engine out there to Google. Then it's YouTube. Okay. Put out some video content. We'll do some basic keyword research and so forth. People put in the right keywords, your videos will pop up, right? Create an audience by doing Facebook posts, live videos on Facebook, getting into groups, Instagram, there's blogging, there's holiness, there's, oh my goodness, there's podcasts. People are crushing it. You know what I'm saying? And you might be getting like, man, I don't know where to start. Well, you start where you are at. What platform are you already on? Are you on Facebook? Use that, start there. I don't know. Forget that. You got to get out there and do it. All right. Watch training videos such as what I'm sharing with you here, how to get started, what to do to get started, what tools to implement to be able to create success in your business, to be able to generate leads, okay, generate sales, and so forth. These are the things that I use that I learned from other marketers that are much further than I am. I'm talking to those that aren't as far along as I am. I'm reaching back the pull forward from what I've been able to accomplish. Okay? So you got to start where you are at and just make it happen. Okay? The second thing that you must do after you started using those platforms and you start creating content, and the second thing I'm going to share with you what type of content that you want to share on those social media sites and so forth to be able to attract the audience that's building your audience. Okay? Because here's the thing. When you are in your network marketing company, the first thing 9 times out of 10 your sponsor tell you to do is build a list. And who is that list? It's family and friends. But the truth of the matter is, all of 9 times out of 10, they're all going to tell you, 9 times out of 10, most of them going to tell you no. That's just truth of the matter. They're going to tell you no. You can say whatever you want to say, but it's very rare that most people get a massive success from family and friends. So you want to build an audience. You want to attract the type of people that are more likely to be interested in what it is that you have to offer. So by creating content such as what I'm going to share with you in step 2, you're going to be able to attract people that are more likely to get in or buy what it is that you have to offer. So the second thing is you must engage your audience. Okay. So after you posted your content on whatever social media site that you use, and you start getting likes, you start getting comments, you start noticing people sharing your content, what you do is you engage them. Hey, I send them a message, start a conversation with them. Hey, thank you for liking my, my video. Or, hey, thank you for commenting. Or just, start a conversation. Go with the conversation right there. Or just, thank you for sharing my video. So once you do that, thanking them, the next step is say something like this. So thank you for liking, or thank you for sharing, or thank you for commenting. And the next thing that you do is say, so what caught your attention to like my video, or what caught your attention to or to share my video, or what caught your attention to comment that great thing on my video, or whatever, type of content that you post out there, whether it's a regular blog post or a Facebook post or Instagram picture or what have you. Start a conversation with them, because here's the thing. When you ask those questions, it'll bring you closer to you. It will uncover some things that you need to know. They will, if they're in a business or if they're going through some type of pain that your product or your service can solve, you can offer them your product or your service. Okay, because that's the solution. So here's the thing. Let me use this example real quick. I posted a picture on Instagram, because the company that I'm with, it's health and wellness. So the cool thing about that is I was having severe pain in my neck, muscle pain, bad muscle pain, because, I'm always marketing. I'm online or what have you. I'm always looking down at my smartphone. So my neck started hurting really, really bad, to the point I was getting tears in my eyes. So I took a picture, and I was rubbing cream on my neck. And then I put some heavy benefits, of what this cream does and how great it works, how it gets down in there and works for hours. Do you guys know the likes that I started to get, the comments, and people messaging me, asking me what this cream is? They wanted to know more about it. I was able to market it, to share it with them. It was amazing, guys. This is how I built my business, guys. So the thing about it is, I never give names of the company. I never give names of the product. You never want to do that. You want to create what is called curiosity. Okay? Well, they will be attracted to your picture, your video, or what have you. You're giving strong benefits of it. Okay? And then to the point where they got to ask, well, what is this type of crane, man? Because I'm going through, having severe pain in my knees or severe pain in my bicep or severe pain in my neck or what have you. It's powerful, guys. This is powerful. Okay, this is very powerful. So let's get to number 3. The third thing that you want to do is sell to your audience. Now that you got build your audience out of the way, you already attracted people that's already interested in what it is that you have to offer from the content that you've been posting and promoting. Okay. The second thing, you engage your audience. Okay. Liking, commenting, and sharing. And when you talk to them, see here, let's go back to number 2. When you're engaging your audience, you're engaging these people, right? That's liking, commenting, and sharing. On your content, what you are doing is you are providing a solution to their pains. You hit on their pains. There are 3 things that you want to do. Hit on their pains. Okay. You hit on their pains, whatever it is. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm in a lot of pain. You know what I'm saying? Talk about the pain that you're having and, relate to them. Okay. Then after that, you provide a solution. You give them you go in your pocket and pull out this big pain pill. A big one. I mean, a big pain pill. You're the solution. I'm sorry, I said 3. I meant 2 steps. Provide, a solution. Man, they will love you. Man, wow. Dang. This is crazy, It's powerful, guys. It's powerful. They would love you for that. For alleviating the pain that they're going through. Okay. So 3, you sell to your audience. Okay. One thing with selling to your audience, you want to embrace multiple streams of income. Yes, I know. Your upline told you only have one business in place so you can focus on your business. Yes. Okay. I get that. But when I say embrace multiple streams of income, do you guys know this? All 6, 7, 8, 9-figure earners, they have multiple streams of income. Now, in this video, let me share with you how to create multiple streams of income to be able to sell to your audience so you can be the solution to, various people's issues. Okay? So here's the thing. Do you guys know that 90% of network marketers out there are struggling in their business and they have 2 problems? Generating leads and getting money. If you have a system like I use to be able to build my business, to be able to generate leads and to get sales in my business, and the system that I use, it has an affiliate program tied to it. And if you have the same thing that's getting you results, or it has the potential to get you results that you are excited about, why wouldn't you share that with other people that's struggling in their business, right? And when they start to get results, they buy it and they start to get results. What happens? You created another revenue stream, okay? Now, what about other tools such as autoresponders? Okay, let's just use 2, for example, Aweber and Get Response. They both have affiliate programs to them. All right. People need these to be able to grow their businesses, right? Online. So why wouldn't you refer them those tools? Okay. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So that's what you want to do. You want to sell to your audience. I mean, this is imperative that you do, because you are using a tool or a system. It doesn't compete with your primary business, your network marketing business. It complements it, right? Because it's generating you leads and sales to your network marketing business. It's powerful. And when they just buy this tools and system, the tool and system alone, you still got paid. So what you did is you monetized your no. You turned that no. So if they told you, nah, man, I'm good, man, I'm doing well with my network marketing business, man, you say, great. I'm glad you are great. So how are you doing with generating leads? And listen, they tell you, they say, well, You know, I'm talking to family and friends, but it is kind of slow right now. And you say, great, man, I'm generating 3 to 10 plus leads every single day and getting signups into my network marketing business. Man, check out this tool that I'm using. That's how you just close them. You know what I'm saying? They want success in their network marketing business. They told you it was slow. You just answered the question. You know what I'm saying? This is powerful. So guys, I hope this helped you guys out. We're going long enough. Hey, if you want more of where this come from, you want to know how to generate leads in your business, how to get sales in your business, how to create content for your business, your products, your services, or what have you. You want a deeper understanding and to be able to leverage a system. Man, don't be a fool. Use the tools. So click the link in the description. Guys, I will see you next time.